Hi, my name is Robin Netterfield, and this is a hazard report of my workplace. I work in a construction and mining company that employs thousands of staff worldwide. My role in the workplace is as a student site engineer. I'm supervised by a project engineer, and my key responsibilities are to ensure that work gets done properly according to a work procedure and documenting the work progress. My workplace is associated with three key industries: tunneling, rail, and general construction. I'll present the hazards and risk mitigation strategies according to the industry they are associated with. This video shows the tunnel that I work in. Hazards associated with the rail industry are many. Some of these include high-speed trains, unstable ground, high voltage electrical 1000 volts DC, and the hazard that damage to the rail infrastructure may harm the public. There are many specialized plant in the rail industry, such as high rails, tamping machines, such as the one shown in this clip, rail grinders and rail tensioners, all of which have the potential to cause harm if inappropriately used or if strict procedures aren't followed. The tunnel industry has hazards that are shared with the confined spaces hazards. However, a tunnel under construction is not considered to be a confined space. Some of these hazards are dust, toxic or explosive gases, unstable ground collapsing, insufficient oxygen, excess oxygen that may cause explosions, and many more. All of these hazards can be found in the New South Wales or Queensland Tunnels Under Construction Code of Practice. There are many hazards that are associated with general construction. Some of these are manual handling, small power tools, hand tools, cuts and scrapes, slips, trips and falls, working at heights, working in an excavation, hazardous substances, or moving plant, such as the one shown in the clip on the right. Some training that I've done for my job are the rail industry safety induction, site inductions, a general induction for construction work in New South Wales, and toolbox training for small work crew training. The rail industry safety induction is a RailCorp course that is required by all workers before entering RailCorp property to undertake work. The course outlines the hazards and risk mitigation procedures. The site tunnel induction covered many things such as tagging in and out procedure and the hazards that I mentioned before. The site-specific project induction also covered many of the site-specific hazards. The general induction for construction work in New South Wales, also known as a white card, is required by all workers before commencing work on a construction site in New South Wales. It's a work cover accredited course that all workers must have. On our site, all work crews are trained in small work crews about the correct use of equipment or plant and the correct procedure that will be followed before any work is undertaken. One of these training sessions is shown in the photo above. On my site, hazards are controlled via the hierarchy of risk control, working from top down. In the last year, there haven't been any lost time injuries while I've worked on the site. That is the hazard report for my workplace. Thank you.